Today's 5-minute flow from the Tines story library uses the AI agent action to analyze network device configurations in GitHub. For this, you'll need pages, resources, and some of our 8 core action types. You'll also need AI enabled in your Tines tenant, a resource storing your repository details, and of course, a GitHub credential. Let's walk through the story together. The flow begins with a page that automatically launches the entire analysis process. From here, we'll connect to the GitHub API to retrieve the contents of your repository where all your network device configurations are stored. Once we have that list, Event Transform extracts just the device names. It removes the file extensions and sorts them alphabetically to give us a nice, clean, user-friendly list of all available devices. Next up is another page action, which will be automatically routed to, where you can choose which device config you actually want to analyze. You'll also indicate here whether it's a firewall or another type of device like a router or switch. This selection is super important because different device types need different analysis approaches, which we'll see a little bit more later on. Once you've made your selection, we'll grab the specific download URL for that config file in GitHub. And then this trigger action acts as a sort of decision point to check whether you selected a firewall or not in the page above. This routes the flow to one of 2 AI analysis paths. If it's a firewall, the flow goes to this AI agent where it's examining firewall configs for security issues, things like overly permissive rules, missing authentication, NAT misconfigurations, and compliance gaps. It checks everything from access control lists to logging configs and provides prioritized recommendations. If it's not a firewall, meaning it's a Cisco router or a switch, we'll follow this path instead and go to a different AI agent. This one focuses on Cisco IOS XE security, examining 3 security planes, which we can see in our system instructions here. We have the management plane for admin access, the control plane for routing protocols, and the data plane for traffic forwarding. It identifies hardening opportunities based on Cisco's own security best practices. Now, both AI agents use a tool to fetch the actual config file from GitHub and analyze it in detail. Regardless of the path it takes, though, they both converge at a page action called Show Report that displays the security analysis. Here you'll see past checks, identified risks, and actionable recommendations prioritized by severity. When you're done reviewing, it redirects you all the way back here to the start to this page so you can analyze another device. Now, you might have seen that there's a bonus feature here, an additional AI agent with chat mode. So instead of the structured workflow that we've just walked through, you can have a back and forth conversation with the AI agent itself. It's perfect for ad hoc analysis and troubleshooting. This story combines automation and AI expertise. You're essentially getting a network security expert to review your configs on demand, identify issues that you might miss manually, and provide specific remediation steps, all pulled directly from your GitHub repo. You'll find this story in our library, just like this, along with lots of others to get started with. Happy building!